So this car is a W115. The year is 1970. It's a 200D diesel. Very original car, all original. We procured it from India itself. It was an original import back in the day. Very few 115s now left all around India, since these are getting very rare. You might get to see a lot of 123s, a lot of 124s, but not a lot of 115s. And we've done a lot of mechanical work on this. Runs beautifully. We're planning to drive it from Delhi to Jaipur in February. And yeah, so we do have a lot more cars, vintage cars. We happen to restore a lot of them, maintain all of them for collectors all over India. And my name is Suryaveer Singh Chauhan. You can follow me on Instagram. I go by the name of Suryaveer626. So this beauty is a 1989 BMW E30. These again are very rare, and the way you see it, it's completely done up. Few mechanical things are left in it, but that goes without saying, because all old cars, you really need to pamper them and keep them like your special girlfriends. And yeah, this has a lot of modern touches to it as well. The suspension has been done up. There's a custom exhaust, a few speakers. The steering wheel, you can see, is a wooden speaker. It's a wooden steering wheel. It's a custom steering wheel because the owner of the vehicle is a little buffed up, so it's according to his height. And it's a daily driven car, very clean car. And soon there are going to be a lot of mods on it. You can follow the car on Phoenix Garage on Instagram, and you can get updates on that.